Hello guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. That's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app, and then just simply click on these two lines on the right top left, and here you get a gear in front of your Messenger username. Just simply tap on the gear, and here you see the option of privacy and safety. Just simply tap on that option and just simply click on black account option. Let me highlight that option, this one. Just tap on that option, and here it will show all of the blacked accounts which are blacked. So if you want to unblock account, just simply tap on that account, and here you can see the option of unblock and messenger on the tab. Just simply tap on that option, and it says just unblock. If you want to unblock, just simply tap on that. So like in this way you can unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. So like there is a shortcut way in which you can like unblock someone within a second. Or just come back, uh, a second, and so here if you want to unlock someone, just simply go to his like chat, and like you see the option of unblock over there, or just simply click on unblock. So you can see it redirected you on that page. So click on unlock on messenger, and then just simply click on unblock, and in the same way you can like in this way you can unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. So I hope it helps you guys, and if any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.